38W110V UV lamps for home remote control UV germicidal light ultraviolet ozone portable disinfection, ozone lamp ultraviolet UV lamp for bathroom bedrooms, shoe cabinets. Free expedited shipping 7 to 15 days delivery with the design of UV light and ozone synchronize working. UV irradiation alone cannot be filled in all directions if it is obstructed. The ozone is a gas that has the function of sterilization and disinfection. It can be distributed throughout the room without being affected by obstacles. So that UV ozone lamp is more thorough. However, ozone contains peculiar smell, which requires ventilation and ventilation before house is completed. 3-time setting. This 38W110V ozone ultraviolet ray light has 3-time setting, which is 15/30 60 mins. You could adjust different time to disinfection to meet your need. It can be used in bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, washroom, cabinets, all kinds of dark corners.etc. Feature made of quartz material, 253.7 nm wavelength, the powerful 38W 110V high UV ozone transmission rate, and better cleaning effect, which effectively covers up to 40 square meter, round 360 degrees thorough cleans. UV disinfection lamp comes with 59 INCH, 150 cm, link line and timer remote control, easy to use, can be placed in a smaller corner which you would set the time you need. Safe and easy to use with the 2-in-1 function. You can use this UV lamp as a table lamp or as a pendant lamp. Household UV lamps can purify the air and remove odor, and it will give your family a healthier living environment. Very important, please pay attention. That device will emit very strong UVC light ultraviolet radiation that will harmful your health, that cause skin and eye burns. Please don't stay together with this light when it turn on. Include your pet plant and others. After disinfection is completed, it also need to wait more than 40 minutes. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.